visit all the time for the story to stay alive.
What is our story today?
What?
It's about Elijah and the great drought.
Elijah and the great drought.
Yes.
So don't forget to join us and subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like our video.
Yes. Okay. So this is a story from long ago.
Like long ago.
800 years before Jesus was born.
800 years by a baby to be born in a barn.
Yes. God's people, the Israelites, were ruled by a wicked king.
A weak king means he's really bossy and not kind.
Yes.
And not really kind to grow food, but go in a secret spot, then the sheep die.
Yes. His name was Ahab. Ahab.
Ahab.
Yes. He has done so many wrong things that he had to be punished.
Where?
But God still cared for the people of Israel.
Hey, punished where?
Let's read the story and you'll see. Okay, listen. King Ahab was wicked and cruel. One day,
Cruel means really bad and not helpful. And I only understand cruel stuff and cruel names.
yes,
So make sure to be careful with cruel kings and
like
cruel
Ahab.
queens and cruel princess.
Yes. Can I continue reading now?
Yes.
Okay.
I can ask the questions.
Hmm?
I can ask the questions.
Okay. One day, Elijah, the prophet, came to him with a message.
A message from God.
Yes. God says, if you don't stop being wicked, I will stop sending the rain. But King Ahab would not listen.
Or care.
No. There was no rain that day or the
It's
next
no
day.
rain.
No rain at all. So Elijah went to a secret place by a stream, and still there was no rain.
Or no or no lightning.
No,
Or no sin.
nothing.
That is so helpful. With only sheep, but no food, no grass, no people to take care of them.
Yes.
Nothing.
And soon the rivers dried up. The grass withered and the sheep grew hungry and thin and died. They died. The crops would not grow and there was no bread to eat.
And no people who will serve him.
Yes. So for 2 long years there was no rain. At last there was no food left.
But the rain is the only thing to give them water.
Yes. So
he needed to be bossy all day to get the water for the people, for them to be even nicer.
yes, that should be the solution. But listen what happened.
Okay.
God told Elijah.
How many pages?
Can I continue reading?
Of course, Mommy. I got lots of questions for the books.
Okay,
And
you
every
listen and you can
pages.
ask at the end, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then God told Elijah to leave this secret place and set out for the little town of Zarephath.
And help them grow food?
No, listen, I'll tell you the story. In Zarephath lived a poor widow with her son. Do you know what is a widow?
A window with
No, it's no window, but widow.
no windows,
Widow
rain?
is a woman whom husband has died.
Husband died for
Yeah, that is widow. And she lived with her son.
son.
Uh-huh.
He's a boy,
Yes.
not a girl.
Yes. All they had left to eat was a handful of flour and a few drops of oil. This will be our last meal, said the widow. Then we shall have to go hungry. The widow went out to the fetch wood to cook the meal. While she was busy, a stranger came up to her. It was Elijah. Please give me a drink of water, he said. I've come a long way to see you. And I'd like some bread too. Elijah called after her. I have no bread to give you, said the woman. I'm cooking one last meal for my son and myself.
Oh no.
Yes. But don't worry, said Elijah. God has promised to look after you. Go and get your meal ready, but make me a small loaf first. The widow didn't know what to say. She hurried home and called her son. Elijah the prophet has come to our house. We must share our last meal with him. When she had baked the loaf, she gave it to Elijah. Go on, she said. Now make yourself some food. The widow picked up the jar. She could hardly believe her eyes. They were not empty after all. There was plenty of oil and flour. That day, the widow and her son ate till they were full.
And
God is looking after us, said Elijah.
then they were not the last hunger at all.
No, He will not let the food run out until the rain comes.
And never let them die ever again.
And Elijah was right. The jars were never empty again, however much the widow took for them. Elijah stayed with the widow and her son for many days until the time came when God sent the rain again. But that is another story.
Ooh.
Yes, and you can find that story in the Bible in King chapter 17.
And Alavina and Marigas and World
Yes.
and where we are the world.
For now, good night.